Smart Ghana update na mo hwem we bia akwaba. It's all about Ghana and Nimpuntu Hong Kong and Yebedi. Professor Stephen Ade or educationist or in the four pa our say mo bia politician bia and try say obey tertiary institution and tertiary education free. Na impo so we free teachers for or here teachers for mo bachelor mo didi mu ene o musikasem ho eno ma bebre ne betimi asi ya kwan ne eno ma bebre betimi a block sa no ma ni nyina ama mpuntuo entimi emma Ghana se ka se we politician na ka se wo ye tertiary institution though primary institution primary education and secondary no de ehiama nipa bia se unya sa foundation no but tertiary de ze ka se ni free a entimi moa me be se edi hu nkomo me na Kofi Jessica pa be ma fentem frem a che se ofi wan Ghana na oba Smart Ghana TV Smart Ghana update ba me edi nkomo me ni be di hu nkomo se asema Professor Stephen Ade e kan ye ampa se ebetimi aha oman no Nana Akufo-Addo nso mre bi okan President Nana Akufo-Addo His Excellency maybe so kan se kokokoko anhwa ebetimi aye tertiary enso so free na nka aboa yenhwe se ebetimi aboa Nana
baba
ni hu nkomo
emre bi mampani Akufo-Addo na akọ odododuoduo aba na no kofomai na no fomi no hu ye man kan ye kura we de papa yewura de Stephen Ade wa kan ye papa because nyesa for political gains and in our desperation to win power ntubo say ye shebo akase without thinking about the repercussions of the promise no fine free education they say in anim it has really helped because they be ameka say adwuma bi pie ba bi na yeso obi amfa certificate mra na ukura JHS certificate count yourself out because obi no order na adwuma ba share JHS level and so mra me but ukura SHS there at least you have acquired some knowledge bi between ma kwan na mom say basta na anu akura free education ya say SHS impo ye hwe ho ntansa ehom pentem kwa emu ebisi a friend traffic light ebisi den because facilities were not enough it is yes akoye say tumia ye pe ana tumia whatever yenye ntino ye de pe be ye free as a tertiary education nso free na fe makwan ebibie nsa pipeline am na hwe agum pacha without any proper direction because in name say already tertiary education bebre teachers strike on anu yom free strike by strike upon strike means that condition of service enkoye na the condition of service enkoye me teacher for no me feel na how much more ye beka say school form pempem no ye form school fees free also can ka say saka say kobasa we will not be able to construct roads. I mean BBA will come to education is very expensive. It be some now work and there many na agree be pa
na so there no see kasa na o che say teachers for ni intimate omoka ene sa no man ye nyina nim say Nana Akufo-Addo na waka say ye man kan ye kura ya waka pen say anhwe ya tertiary education kura no ojidi say eno so na campaign talks they said the Nana Akufo-Addo ka say sa omukasa sa afie ba na ente sa no campaign talks and say no kasa akeke
okay this year another verse year 2020 election we there me personally maintain say omampani kasa
previous
prior to election 2020 no yenyen say this for the bibi ba am say friend chimpe am say school no in school fees no omo be fa half no afide e be ka few days kwa me ato say afide ya mene ni nyina e be fa ni nyina kwa mene that's gradually we are eating into free na mu ano no in terms say out of that nana say your point is who you be what has to be a person accountant be on so koka say anhwa yenso kra ba na fe akwanti anhwa de fan ka say nemum kokoboya yewura ade ebo no am taking in good faith because a hormone de eye bunum a chese nipa no okọ no pie ba obaba ye nipa kase a chese wosa na e wosa na dwene mu do nti ko ni free ema condition of self teacher phone to ncha de ye enkola kwa nya duane papa bia ma mu ni a omba kwa akoye useless graduate men kan sa because pie ba na say wonim de no wo form a ebianse ye won kofo awie is at the saying Kwame Nkrumah Science and Technology, and so they are not able to put it on practice. Or me about the time on them, who was engineering power, and so the Tombred or street so. It's ye Kakana or ye ya manage na school fees ye the here passes say because ye free tertiary education there. Says can be esompa. Young family be numa na parents enye binye. Omunya biya they can pay their school fees. They can pay whatever they need to pay because all the coin is free. Okay, fine, free won't ya. Sikana so once enya nyese ya na da ho en we bawo e struggle no mo struggle the tua. Nti o pie adwuma ma na obi enya biya obetua 20 school fees. Ti ho de my emphasize sabe your politics mu agudie no enko ho.
Na o susu say educational system. Even GHS and elementary kind of basic schools no and secondary schools. Worth it say free. Okay, educational system no. At the children start no money no. Worth it say free as compared to tertiary no because you say no need foundation but no big school to say the work no. No worth it. And I yes say your school fees na school no mo shemu kinana practicals no man doors.
Exactly the point, but who said about SHS now over the years many children have suffered in the attempt to be admitted at the schools. Be there this other brown next frustrations be the honor there nyame no kure na ye hono se ye motivate teacher phone ye na mo trauma there hono wa see maturity kwan so ntu che na dey ye kakra bi oduru tertiary ho obe perform well so what I say but we nya kwan kura nwura wa na matibo nkoso fondo so a ye can demonstration no be ekodi achi because we nim the implications or the repercussions of demonstration we nim so work ye betu the ababia bulletin because no he or she may not have any life to protect. So what I say but wa school we SHS na sabi your potential to benya dwuma bia ya obetwe ne nkwa. So what I dey say it me hu say anka enya worth ko enya aba it enya aba the let's give it the benefit of the doubt nanka enkwara na nkomu ntumi ko bi na tumi akobi no yen package ho ni ye na yen shawo fon so kena buy creating more jobs for the parents to do so that owie SHS na ye free na otumi ato susu kakra so ato de ahwede ba tertiary if they so wish. So what as enti when there eye pass aye free SHS there is good say eye what say free SHS no
yen san hwa de on say free asema aye kan na wo ka say kofa nzem bebre ba ya tese mpenten kwa yeti ni ade me say busa bim say ebudi say ene na strike aba free no government ni nya free na community fees ni say the bear teachers for no because ya nim say nkwala no era say free ni nti no ye obia na ye de no eko so obia na ye de na eko na say education na nsia hwe to trust am aye eko so hwe kono ngo dum ase ni sa no mana because of ye free obia timi kobi nti bastards ne nkofo bebre a omu chese ni kwan say omu ro school mo because of omu suban nti na omu enya kwan na omu ko.
Well, no podie say whoever what we ro school no there
any teachers aketua
meba ho obi say there is always a bigger hook for every bigger fish. There's a number of subia there no ho da wa ho nti once when you be school one day he or she should be kept under rules and regulations and then no matter what they shouldn't be bigger than the teachers by burden abasa. Teachers there should be motivated, qualified and properly trained teachers there should be motivated in a way that onoba fakran say onwa neba it is what sebe what say kran the other say free to tin nkola bone wo na emom esas na those days who's a human right ama sebe previous ajimie no ya doso and obi kwa dia ba kobo akwala na osuro bible na so ayen so ya sisi aso dem ya so ya say ajimi samba tabofra ko ma wontre so aba na be ina fru teacher no so dia ba ko hey ni asore nti ama ni nyina keka ho de but unse SHS ndie emse for some time and time teacher for no strike if they are being talked to behind scenes there that I can tell but for some time now since the introduction of free SHSE by no maintain say teacher for co strike or that side the mete ye tewu ne nkeka hofo no nti me hunu say yetumi aye we yi a going forward se bedroom re bi na afide hu say oh okay yetumi bedroom level bi nti yetumi aye we ma na ye successful ye ni traffic light bi education red phone corner good phone call we have provided enough facilities and then enough motivation for teachers and staffs of the that side now afina bia na ye obi bi e betumi aye to cushion the tertiary the say student no so a na ne bi e be ye but to make it free there nye because free no already they have challenges ho yo omo challenges kase pa ho ayi na ya we say omo ne aban gusu a ye twene tan entwe nti so akoye free a wo betumi aye free there na nkafa he teacher fo nti me hunu say ye ma hard there no enye
last question was say ekobase 2024 obi campaign trails obi eba sisi na oba beka say me 2020 we need 2024 me tertiary institution free a ade asem ne enkan fa ho
ye ma ya adwene mu na ho na no sorry ye video so ayi obi a woso ba me yusu bebreka quotation bi a obonsam okope Job ase no ka chense otuye ni bibia ne mo na krade on fa nsanka. Politicians should know say they can joke with any sector in the country, make creating premier one this one factory, make creating 1 million job, may say they can say all sort of things. But education there, so the education there, that means what do man we able to form because they say we are snank saying we are seeing in modern way. Yeah. It is why I educate the people in us all by how you crass it. We are so a global village. How can you adapt yourself to the globability of the globe? No, so what I then say.
Globability of the globe.
When you say
the globability of the globe.
Yes. How can you equip yourself to that? Etienne say, and maybe one penny could form a bayard, Dibu, Krumha, Ghana, or Memuha. Nkoforo do na ntiase me na metiase more than 100%. Unso the SHS no JHS no obey no for
SHS.
SHS okay yes SHS thank you 4 years. Ade tina me no ya dwene na me ya dwene cause nkora no nkete no wie SHS o de ha makura chance mo ntwin fa amade so o twin pagya bro ntwin nya hwe ena masanso studies akora no ebu a wo nyina fe no aye mature a o twin sua de no hu na twin mu bie
ho ba no ho
so etina panin say abedi bewu a na eso etiri san kola na nkomoda ayom so ko tumi ko hwem pa 3 years you know hwem pa just 2.5 years and almost spend with school. Why imagine etina kola bebre ba mo tumi nya yi eti education de mom fa nya group professor meso so ba na so dari ye na sa wo for complain me wa minim ba bia na wo for no complain na so be yi free for sa de ba 3 biem and ye enti be say politicians no they should not joke with our education and not there say am kan o dey catch so ba obesi or say abansoro wiem say me because it say abawe ba so obesi obeye ayi train na mu wiem say na mamefo no kan train na mu wiem but minim say sisi post na mi ntumi nkire so you can say all sort of things just to win power but education there yes from power they shouldn't joke with it I said there na so mo de ye daach o man daach na ekogu amunum e ba sa so a God will not forgive them. Eduka say aso dem contract they should know says anem no mo ye nyina no there's a punishment for it.
Now mo come say o mo ni nyame de
na so mo ni nyame kura say okeka oni asema nyame so pano wa kuma mu ni ahoden there's a punishment words are spirit wo do am
no wo ha bi say na akofo ado his excellency e wo ha bi de na akomya ekan
yeah
bi o ya wo say ade na enye possible bi ono no ya wo pa say enye possible say bi e be reduce fuel price onzo hu ni so onyini awie punishment be mbi
oh na punishment be na chance wanyini wadi mampani awie na dadam na obre na ntumi mpie
so onyini awie
da bi wanya wi sabre no kwa na ya no da bi ambon pa say se me die te ho ba bi Nyankopon tru nsam frem nkomba bi because onyini mo ha ko chance o ya brante o wanyini ho yira unya ya nka akonko eno ana ebia na na komia instance ya no ma the other time you know it could be say president or kind one kase onimpass won't mean I can't for that I can't tell but me sure no fee say easier god do just different from obey ho yes do obey ja no oni say decision fa but the man so na me say e was so onim ni say that levy that was introduced in 2015 no both MPP and NDC parliamentarians they o sasha apamase nti definitely they will be so even now onye president kwani will be brief you about the doings there nti I'm sure so onim nti ni na so onim o mo MP for mo say the battle is the Lord's na se munu se nyame bo ho koma mode a wo mama konye na mo so mba na nansifo because se hegan ha ye nyankopon ne Akufo-Addo ko edum right Akufo-Addo ekwaye fa nanado nti won na ye nyankopon gan ha it is so nim nyame na ogi nyame di nyono nko aye mpanifo nyina mampema mahama mo dada mahamu nyina no so munim nyame a they should live like that mamo fama no nkeka wa bra makomo mu anwaden.
They should live like Christ. Christ-like behavior. A Smart Ghana update and more attribution more FR. Professor Stephen Ade and some of our politician be and Yana say obey tertiary institution free. My crowd, somewhere like no more subscribe, no more comment.